Hey guys, welcome to our channel Pratyusha's Knowledge Hub. I'm your Dr. Pratyusha. In today's video, we are going to see some of the mandatory steps to be followed while registering for the NPTEL exam. I have divided this video into two parts since it is getting too lengthy. In the next part 2 video will be completely about instructions you need to be followed during the NPTEL exam. So before starting our video today, there is a small announcement. Many people are seeing my videos, but you are not subscribing to my channel. So please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest update of my video. So let's start our session. What is the difference between online and offline exam? So let's see the answer. So whatever the exam you registered can be either in the online or offline mode. This will be decided by your course instructor. So here you can see online and offline. So as you can see, online is a computer based exam and offline is a pen and paper exam. So coming to the online exam, candidates will appear for their allotted exam center with their hall ticket, ID proof and take the exam on the computer by entering the answers in the computer. Here the question format can be either in MCQs, fill in the blanks, short answer type, essay type. Okay. So coming to the next one is the offline exam. So offline exam in the sense pen and paper based exam. So here too candidate will appear for their allotted exam centers with their hall ticket, ID proof and take the exam in person. Here the questions will be appearing on the screen and the candidate should write the answers in the paper provided by the NPTEL team. Tie the papers and submit to the invigilator. Here too the question format can be either MCQs, fill in the blanks, short answer types, essay type. Where to check the hall tickets? You can check your hall tickets in your register mail ID. In the register mail ID, check your hall tickets near the inbox. Next, or you can check your hall ticket details near the spams, junk boxes, promotion, social labels in your Gmail. Most of you can find directly in your inbox or spam. So as you can see, if you want to change any details regarding your date of birth or your name, your photo, signature, SC/ST or PW certificates, any of the details if you want to change means nowadays NPTEL is charging 200 rupees for each change. So the better option is before the deadline, if you're having any changes, make sure that you change before the deadline. You can also get your hall ticket details from your college SPOC. They too will be maintaining the database regarding the hall tickets. Here comes the question regarding the recent run courses open for exam registration July 2023. So is it mandatory to enroll again in the current July 2023 semester to obtain fresh assignment of the July 2023 semester? Yes, you should enroll again for the same rerun course for which you are planning to write the exam in the September or October 2023. The important thing you want to do is you should enroll again with the same mail ID which you have used to write assignments in the previous semester. Then only the previous semester assignment score will be considered. For further details regarding the exam registration, you can go through this link. So this is the link where you can have the details regarding the exam registration. Okay, this slide is the extension of the previous question. So for the course which is rerun and you enrolled, you have already written the assignments in the previous semester but you have not taken the end exam. So now the question is, will the NPTEL team will consider previous semester score to write the end exam in this semester or do I need to write the assignments again? Firstly, let me give clarity about the previous and present terms which we are using in this slide. Here, previous semester score means July 2022, Jan 2023. In that particular year, if you have written the exam regarding the course which you are going to write now, and present semester means which is related to the July 2023 to which you are planning to write the end exam, which is an ongoing semester. So yes, you can write the end exam directly. NPTEL team will consider assignment score which you have written in the previous semester. If you want to write the assignments again, it's your wish. You can write assignments again and you can get a good score. But note this point. At the last the NPTEL team will consider the best score among the previous and present semester assignments. So previous semester assignment score can be checked from the progress tab of your respective course in swayam.gov.in. Here comes the questions. So let's see one by one. Where I can see the exam date. So here the references we can say like we are having the timeline and guidelines video. I'll be posting the link in the description box. You can go through the video. Okay. So already we have discussed about this one. Updated video I have already posted. So coming to the next one. How do I register for the online exam? Already I have done a video on this too. You can go through the video. Link will be provided in the description box. So since it is an next question is, since it is an online exam, can I take the exam from the home or any day or any date? Okay. So for this question I can say no. You can't take the exam from the home. You need to go to the allotted exam center to take the exam in person. Most of the exams will be conducted on Saturday and Sunday. If the count is more, sometimes on Friday too. Okay, so two exam sessions will be conducted. Timings for the exams are in the morning session from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and in the afternoon session from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So is there a fee to join or register for the online course? No, joining or enrollment is a free of cost. You can enroll as many as courses you want. But to write the exam, you need to pay 1000 rupees per course if you are a student. If you are a faculty, if you need the FDP certificate, you need to pay 1100. If you are taking the exam outside the India means then you need to write where you are going to write the exam to given mail ID. So as you can see here you are having some mail ID. Just I will be showing you. So this is the mail ID. So from this mail ID you can send the mail to that particular mail ID. Then they will be allotting the exam details and exam details and place where you need to write that particular exam. Here comes another question. Will I get credits equivalent for NPTEL certification courses? As per the NPTEL recommendation, if it is a 12 weeks course, you will get a 3 credits. If it is a 8 weeks course, you will get a 2 credits. If it is a 4 weeks course, you will be getting a 1 credit. So as based on the university and college credits may vary. In some colleges, they will directly consider as credits. In some colleges, they will convert credits into grades as per the requirement. So it is better to take confirmation of the credits transfer from your concerned head of the department. Here, NPTEL routinely sends email notifications to all candidates to their registered email ID regarding any new development with respect to the extension of the deadlines, other announcements like you need to submit your assignments or exam registration form is open, exam registration form is closing, or any questions if they are changed in the assignment. They will be keeping a regular update in the announcement form. So candidates are expected to check the emails on the regular basis. Here in your email, check your inbox and also the spam or junk boxes of your email. Here comes a question. How many exams can I write in a day? Not more than two exams in a day. You can take one exam in the forenoon section from 9 to 12 p.m. and another exam during the afternoon session on the same day from 2 to 5. You will be providing with different hall tickets for different sessions. You are not given any option to select any particular session. NPTEL will allot the session allot the session in forenoon and afternoon as per the availability without any clashes for your both the exams. NPTEL will look after. So they will provide the two exams in the same center. So no need to worry about this point too. So here comes the certification exam. Exam dates are, as we have seen in the timeline, September 24th and October 29th and 30, 2023. So here you can check these details of exam registration form by logging in into your Gmail account. The date of the exams and where the city you can find complete details in your mail. The entire process of filling up in the application form and uploading the certificates, documents, etc. is in the online mode. So the candidate should not send any hard copy of his or her application form, documents, etc. from to the NPTEL office. So here the payment of the registration fee is a completely electronic mode. So here comes the guideline regarding uploading a photo in a exam registration form. So as you all know, photo plays a very crucial role because the photo which you are applying in the display will appear in your hall ticket and on your certificate after completion. If you have not uploaded correct photo, your exam will be cancelled and the exam fee also will not be refunded. So here, as we are saying the photos, no selfies or no group photos are allowed. Only need to apply a passport size photo either in JPG or JPEG format in between 50 KB to 150 KB. Similarly, signature and ID proof should also be uploaded in the same format. Okay. So coming to the next one is the guidelines regarding uploading of SC, ST and PWD certificates in the exam registration form if necessary. So SC, ST and PW category students are required to upload a valid category certificate. If you have not submitted correctly, your exam registration will be cancelled and exam fee will not be refunded. Eligibility to appear at the exams. Till now, whatever we have discussed in these videos from starting should be fulfilled to appear for the exams. Info to be fulfilled are candidates should fill the exam registration form correctly, should upload a valid photo signature. Next, SC, ST and PWD certificate should be uploaded correctly, should pay fee correctly, then only you will be issued hall tickets and you can write the exam. So these are some of the contact details. If you need to contact NPTEL team and if you need to send any mails regarding your questionnaires, you can use this mail ID and NPTEL team will solve your problem as soon as possible. So this is a mail ID where you can send your info. Support at nptel.iitm.ac.in. Okay. So you can send your information either through screenshots or you can write some message to them. Okay. So these are some of the important links from where you can get the NPTEL information. Hope this video might be useful for everyone. If you like my video, please give me a like symbol and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video.